Children, it is a physics viscous activity page for you. It is for the first day. Now about the force and pressure. In your previous classes, studied about the force and pressure. What is force? Force is a push or pull on a object. If you push the door, that is the force. If you pull the door, that is the force. So, force is in the form of push or pull. Now, the force can be two types, contact force and non-contact force. Contact force and non-contact force. Then what is contact force? Here pushing and pulling is done by the contact with the object. So force acting on a body with being contact with it. Here you are touching the object and pushing the object. That is the contact force. Or you are touching the object and pulling that object. That is the contact force. Here you can give the example of muscular force, frictional force. When the ball is rolling on the ground, there is a force. Which force it is? It is the contact force, that is the frictional force. Now, what is non-contact force? Force acting on a body without being contact with it. Here sometimes force will be in the form of push or pull, that is without being contact with the object. That is the magnetic force. You know that magnetic force is the force between the two magnets, also magnet and the magnetic material. So here pulling and pushing is there. Magnet pulls the magnetic material. So that is the magnetic force. But there is no contact here. Even though there is no contact, that exert a force. Then electrostatic forces. That is the force between the like charges or unlike charges. Then the gravitational force. The gravitational pull of the object. Then also there is no contact between the object and the agent. Here you know that the force of attraction between two objects is called the gravitational force, but here there is no contact between the object, but there is a exertion of the force. Force will be act on the object without being contact with it. So these are the examples of the non-contact force. Children, by using the above hints, do the activity. That is the activity page 1. Classify the following into contact force and non-contact force. Take a sheet of paper and do the activity. So which are the forces here? Pushing a ball, gravitational pull of moon, pulling a cart, force exerted by the magnet, repulsion of two magnets, ball rolling along the ground, attraction of unlike charges, force on the body falling towards the earth. Children, make two columns. One is for the contact force and other is for the non-contact force. Here what you have to do? Take first one and write in the column in which it comes. Here pushing a ball. So you write this pushing a ball in the contact force or non-contact force, that is thinking you must write here. If there is a contact between the object while pushing or pulling, then you can consider it is a contact force. If there is no contact, then you can consider it is the non-contact force. So with the help of this knowledge, right, whether they are contact force or non-contact force in the columns here. In these two columns, you must write the contact force and non-contact force. That is the activity for you.